guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. We're going to be talking about this beautiful wig from Pearl Tresses. This is my second collab with them. The first wig I did was a blonde wig. I'm going to leave that in the description box for you guys. It is 100% synthetic. It is made of premium synthetic fibers. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is pre-plucked and the hairline is just giving natural. Oh my god, look at the scalp. Look at the hairline. You guys, this wig looks so good. Like, I'm so impressed. Okay. I think I'm gonna secure the sideburns today. I'm just gonna leave them. Let them be free and do its thing. Does look really good, but I want it to look more skin-like, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh yeah. And then I like to just go in and wipe it down. I'm so impressed with this company. Okay, so it looks fantastic, but I'm thinking maybe we want to comb the hair kind of back just a little and put the hairspray. Does that look better, you guys? Let me know in the comment section. Does this side look better? The left side or the right side? It looks good either way. Look, do I want to go for that? Well, we've done it already, so we're gonna have to see it through. Should I put some baby hairs? I think I'm gonna put some baby hairs just right in the corner. The fibers are very thin. They're not like super thick and like dense like you might find with some other synthetic wigs. So you can literally take those hairs that aren't even meant to be baby hairs and make them into baby hairs, and they'll lay so nicely. They make absolutely beautiful, stunning, gorgeous wigs. As you guys can see, this wig was installed in no time with very little effort, you guys, and it looks flawless. Look at this beautiful scalp, you guys. We're gonna zoom in really close so you guys can see. Look at this hairline. Look how beautiful it is. So the color that I have installed is the Amethyst color. It's like really high quality. You know, some synthetic wigs where you can like feel the tracks on the sides or on the back and comb through it, and all you see is hair. You just see hair even in the back. You see hair everywhere. You just see hair, right? That's what you're paying for when you get a premium quality synthetic wig. This is what we wish all the synthetic wigs to be like, you guys. I know you guys, if you've been following me for a while now and watching my videos, you've seen me deconstruct synthetic wigs and try, you know, to make them look more realistic. But this is like the creme de la creme. You guys, this is definitely top of the line. I would recommend you guys checking them out, and they do offer installment payments on their website. If you can't afford to pay for it all at once, you can definitely, you know, pay for it in installments. I think you can do 4 easy installment pays. The color is beautiful, the wig is beautiful, fits my head perfectly, and there's definitely some room if you have some more hair. Lace is pre-plucked already, so the hairline is natural. As you guys can see, I did not do any plucking. All I did was cut the lace, and then yeah, this is what it looks like. What I really like about this company is their synthetic wigs look really natural. They don't come shiny at all. Like, this is not at all shiny, like not even 1% shiny. It just looks like the straightest human hair that you can find. Okay, so I did turn my brightness up just a little, so as you guys can see, it still is showing the purple, but it's almost looking gray now. But yeah, I'm wondering if you guys can actually see. It's like a lilac color. It's so pretty. You guys see how bouncy it is? It's just perfect, guys. I'll check them out on their Instagram so you can see all the wigs that they have. Really beautiful. Definitely recommend. 2 thumbs up. Bye for now.